Hey, y'all. I bet you're going to recognize this good-looking hunk of man with a beautiful smile. His name is Joseph Harris. I want to call him Jeffrey, but his name is Joseph.
That's what happened the last time.
I enjoyed having Joseph on
Oh, man.
so much. And we got so many great comments.
Yeah, we did.
So we're doing the Joseph Harris show today.
No.
Yes, we are.
No, I like loving best dishes
honey,
with Miss Paula.
I'm tired. I'm going on 2.5 hours
right.
sleep.
Oh,
I did get
gosh.
me an hour's nap though this afternoon.
Good.
But Joseph has so many wonderful things in his head concerning food. The last time he was here, he made the most delicious shrimp tacos I've ever put in my mouth.
Thank you.
And I'm not a fish and shrimp
taco person, yeah.
I could have eaten 6 of them. So I'm so glad you agreed to come back.
Oh my goodness, anytime.
I'm gonna be right here unless you need me.
Always. I think people love this together, so we're gonna do as much as we can together.
And I told y'all the first time he was here, he won
All-Star Academy. The best home cook in America.
The best home cook in America. On that cooking channel.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So, you ready to get started?
I would agree with him.
Yes. Awesome.
I'm in.
Okay.
You know, I was just telling Joseph, I don't even pretend to know everything.
Me either.
And I learn something new every day of my life.
Same.
So I'm here to learn.
Today, this is fall inspired, as you can see with the decorations that we have here. This is a fall inspired pumpkin pimento cheese ball. And so, you know, a lot of times people have Halloween parties, or even if you wanted to do this for Thanksgiving or just a fall harvest party, something. This is a great appetizer that you can make in advance and serve to your guests.
I have never had anything like it. Is there any reason this is here?
Yes, that goes on top of the pumpkin.
I thought you might have a lid. Using a lid.
To make it look like a pumpkin.
Well,
so
if there's something I can help you with.
Absolutely. Do you want to stir or mix it all together? That'd be good.
Don't matter what.
I'll dump and you stir.
Right, which side you want to be on?
Yep, I'll be on this side. And then, so we're going to start with 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese.
Okay, and I'm going to use the mixer with
yes,
that, right?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay.
Yep. And so we're just going to put...
Oh, look, there's a black cat.
It is, I saw.
I just now saw it.
There's a black cat at the Airbnb I'm staying at, too. That's just sitting outside. She's so cute. So
cute. Is it
cute.
a live one? Or?
It is a live one, yeah. She came up last night and tried to come in, and I wasn't going to do that just because it's not my property, but I love cats.
I wonder if the cat belongs
I think so, to the owner. So yeah, we're just going to put in these 2 blocks of softened cream cheese. You want to make sure that it's soft.
Nice and soft.
Yes, just so that everything can be blended. And I know how you are, get every drop.
Yeah.
You're economical.
No, I am. You'd have thought I was born during the Depression. But in a way, I lived through my own depression.
I understand.
You know, with no money.
I understand, yes. But, you know, things like that help us to become stronger and be better people.
That's right. It helps us mold us in who we're going to wind up to be.
Absolutely. So anyway, what we're going to do is just mix that all together. And then what we're going to do to make it southern, we're going to add in some pimentos.
Okay.
Okay. And so just a jar of pimentos. It can be any brand. Drained. And I got this from you. I rinsed them a little bit in some water just so that the red does not permeate the color. That beautiful.
That's exactly right.
And
is
so
that pickles or
this
jalapeno?
is pickled jalapeno.
Pickled jalapeno.
Yes, ma'am. And so these, I mean, they're not super duper hot, but definitely add the amount that you are able to tolerate.
That's right.
If you like super spicy food, add more. This is probably about a little bit over a tablespoon. The recipe calls for a tablespoon. And so you can add, a teaspoon. You can add a little bit more. There's probably about 2 teaspoons.
Yeah.
So but it needs to have flavor, and spice equals flavor.
Honey, that's a heaping tablespoon.
It is. I mean, it'll be all right.
But your hands are bigger than mine.
Yep. It'll be okay.
You can't make it hot enough for my husband.
I've heard.
Listen, he likes his food so hot he has to
use a rag. I can't. I can't do it.
Mop his brow.
I can't do it. My best friend, one of my best friends, Heather, I think I mentioned her the last time I was on here. She makes the hottest Cajun food you ever put in your mouth. I'm telling you, you'd be sweating. It's so good, but
I know it, but I don't want to hurt you.
I don't either. In more ways than one.
I can't taste. I can't taste anything if I'm on fire.
I agree.
Okay,
and so this is ranch
dressing.
Yep, it's a seasoning packet.
Yeah.
And so we're just going to add this in.
And that's just like one single packet that you buy.
Yes, this is, according to the recipe, it's just a tablespoon of ranch powder.
Oh, okay.
You can add more if you want, but you definitely
I buy the big container.
Oh, yeah. It's so good. And it's so good in so many different
many different
recipes. Yes. And so we're going to also add some garlic powder.
Okay.
So this is packed with flavor.
Yeah.
Packed, an abundance of flavor. And we're just mixing it all together. Anybody could cook this. I mean, it's not even cooking, it's just mixing.
I was going to say, we ain't even cooking all.
But it makes an amazing appetizer. And so and then we're going to add in some green onion.
All right, now, are we going to roll that?
Yeah, we're just going to actually add that in. Okay. And so you just dice this until, it's finely chopped.
Yes.
You don't want a big chunk of green onion in there. And so we've got some southern flavors in here.
Yeah, I love the colors. Now this is a cheese ball, but where's our cheese?
It is right here.
Okay.
And what we're going to do?
That in, or do
no, ma'am. We're going to do a little bit of a magic trick here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put the cheese in the bottom of this bowl. And what we're going to do is...
You watching, Teresa? It's a new...
What we're going to do...
Wait, let me...
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Let me see if I can just...
There we go.
Yeah, kind of get that
That's perfect. How does it taste?
Well, I don't know, but I'll tell you, I know what it tastes like. It tastes good.
I hope so. And this is enough for 2 balls, actually.
2 balls is nice.
Yes.
I done got it all over me.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of the cheese and we're going to roll it around.
I'm watching.
In the cheese, and we're going to make a ball with it.
Shirt,
I should have took my ring off, but that's all right. It's the South. You cook with your jewelry on. I've heard you say that many times.
I just always did because I felt like it was safer on my hands dirty.
And if you didn't want to use your hands, you can use gloves, but I don't do that.
In the restaurant, we have to.
Of course, yes.
We have to use gloves.
Yes.
But at home, no.
No, you don't have to. I agree. And so what we did, we just made
I was getting the stuff.
It's okay. So basically, you just take your hands and you just put it around and you form a ball with it. And if you're not comfortable doing it with your hands, you can do it with a spatula if you want. If you don't mind, if you could get me a sheet of plastic wrap. And what we're going to do is wrap it up in that. So
I can do that.
We'll show you guys how to do that right now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our cheese ball. We're going to put it in some plastic wrap.
Yes.
Oh, that's perfect. Thank you.
Get that out of your way.
And what we're going to do now is just
form it into
a perfect ball. And then what we're going to do is put it in the refrigerator for about an hour.
Yeah.
And you just want to chill it until the ball is, solidified, it's whole. And you've got yourself a pumpkin cheese ball.
Now, are you going to roll it in anything?
You can. You can actually roll it once it's done in more cheese.
More cheese, so that fresh parsley or something?
Yes, that would actually be beautiful. Fresh parsley and cheese.
Even?
You can do nuts too as well.
Nuts.
I say pecan, but Y'all might say pecan. Oh, you do? Okay, good.
That's a pecan. How you spell pecan?
P-E-A.
No.
C-A-N.
P-E.
Oh, P-E-E.
No. P-E can.
That's right.
C-A-N.
That's right. It's true. That's how I say it. But pecans would be really good with this.
Yes, it would.
It would be delicious, especially with that parsley and cheese. And we're just going to put that in the refrigerator now.
Okay,
and we'll
I'm going to stick this in your refrigerator drawer right here for you.
Yeah, we'll just let it get, hard for an hour. And then we'll take it out, roll it. You can roll it in a little bit more cheese. And then we're going to top it with our little stem. Yep, to make it like a pumpkin. Yeah, isn't that great? We just serve it with crackers and so we'll show you guys what that looks like shortly. Okay, and so now we've just finished chilling our cheese ball. And what we're gonna do to make it look like a pumpkin is in the plastic wrap, we're just gonna take the back of a knife and add ridges in it.
And it's going to look like a pumpkin.
And it's going to look like a pumpkin. Yep. And it doesn't need to be a sharp knife.
So smart.
Isn't that cool?
That is so cool.
And if you want it again, you could take this and then dump it in more cheese to make it more like
that because it looks like a pumpkin. We probably could have chilled it a little
longer, but we're hungry. So that works.
That's right.
Okay, and then you
look. That was
yourself a pumpkin.
That was from the pepper.
Yep.
Look how cute that is.
Isn't that cool? And if you wanted, you could run your knife a little bit more to make it more defined if you want. So yeah.
I love it.
Isn't that cute?
That's why I love being with other people.
Same. You can always learn. It's beautiful.
Yes. How cute.
Isn't that nice? Now we should try it.
How cute. You're right. It's time to taste it, honey.
So I'm going to serve you.
Oh, thank you.
You are welcome. You know what this doesn't have that you probably would have put in it?
What?
Mayonnaise.
Well, there's...
cream cheese.
Probably, but the cream
Don't
cheese...
you put do you put mayonnaise in your pimento cheese dip? You do? Okay, so then you could do that for this.
That's the best pumpkin I've ever had.
Me too. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Oh, Teresa, come get you some. Joseph.
Isn't that delicious?
It is so good. I hadn't tasted anything, as many shows as you shot with me, I hadn't tasted anything from you that wasn't delicious.
Oh, come join me on a weeknight. Where I'm experimenting.
Well, happy Halloween.
Yes, same to all of you guys.
I'll eat this pumpkin any day.
Yes, it's so delicious. Love and best dishes, guys.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.